If you're looking to replace your coolant overflow cap, most likely because it doesn't hold pressure anymore, first of all, make sure that the car is cool. Even though yours might be bad, make sure the car is cold. This is pressurized. Then you would want to simply unscrew it, remove it all the way, inspect the threads in here to make sure that that isn't the issue. This being plastic, there is always a possibility that it could strip out. Now, if you had lost any coolant, you would go ahead and fill it up to the max line. That is not the case for me, so I'm not going to fill it anymore. It's already full. And then you would want to just thread the new cap on. Make sure it's nice and snug, and there you have it.